Let me do this. I am live. Hey, everybody with REDX and all my people with Habit Guys. Welcome to another week where I prospect live. You get to hear me grow my business. How many of you would love to learn how I grow my business? Who wouldn't, right? Get to see me, hear me. So thank you so much for tuning in here. Where I'm going to show you guys the exact systems that I use, right? The technologies I use, my scripts that I use. So I'm super excited to be here today. Maria, how are you? I'm getting the highs from the chat room from everybody. This is great. Okay, perfecto, perfecto. Ahora, Maria, nice to see you guys. I see a lot of you are coming in. Marui, is it Mariuri? How are you? Michael, what's going on? Amelis. I love this. Everyone's coming in now. Everyone's coming in. So nice to see everyone here today. I see if you guys are in the YouTube world, shoot me some comments. But we're going to go over every single week. I'm coming in here. I'm going to go ahead. I farm, I circle prospect. You're going to hear me as to how I do this and get this done and how I use REDX to make this so much easier for me. It makes my life so easy when I have the right tools to make things happen. So before we get into the training, let me make sure here. I'm going to go ahead and share. I'm going to share my screen. Robin, how you doing, Robin? What's going on? So Robin, here's the biggest thing you got to people that need to understand. All right, but again, my name is Andy Rosas. I'm the co-founder of Habit Guys. You guys can check me out on Habit Guys there. I'm also going to be giving you my scripts. I'm going to be giving you an invitation to a webinar that we have that's going to help you. Robert from DC. Well, you guys are all tuning in to hear me make calls live. I love this. I love this. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. This is what it's all about. So I'm putting on here, you guys are going to see, right, my live prospecting. I'm going to put this here, guys, so you guys can see exactly where to get all my tools. So habitguys.com/REDX. Boom. That's what I'm going to give you guys. I'm going to save this. Boom. That's the ticker. Guys, that's where you guys can get all the scripts, okay, that I have for you all. The REDX tools as well. You're going to see a REDX link there for you guys as well. And my class on habits, because it's all about habits. Why? Because listen, who doesn't want more listings, right? In the neighborhood that you want. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. I'm going to do it right now with you guys live. Give me about 2 more minutes and I'm going to go live with this. And I'm going to show you guys the tools, the strategies where you don't feel like a salesperson. Karen, how are you? Michael, what's up? And bring value to that conversation. Make it loving and friendly. You're going to hear me on the phone. It's awesome. And you're going to feel like you're growing your database and feel the growth, because there's nothing more frustrating in real estate than making all these calls. You're not getting any closings. And you're like, man, am I even growing? Am I even doing this the right way? And it can be very frustrating, very exhausting. So this method that I'm about to teach you all with circle prospecting, and then what to do with the phone call after in your CRM to make sure that you're closing the loop of automations. So if you forget to follow up, it doesn't matter because your CRM is going to do it for you, okay? And if you don't have these tools, like I'm saying, like REDX or the CRM tools that I have as well, that I use KV Core, but a CRM that does something very similar, then like I tell students all the time, you need to either get those tools, right? Talk to your broker and get those tools, or you need to get a new brokerage, right? And stop slow stepping. Call me up if you want to work with my team. We give you guys these tools, right? Like I tell people, because if you don't have the right tools in this business, you're going to be out of business, okay? I don't care. So it works both ways, having the right habits to use them, but also having the right habits and the right tools in place as well, all right? So as I was saying, the thing is this, circle prospecting, I'm not sure if you guys knew this, but 87% of realtors quit the business, which is an alarming rate, which is absolutely awful, okay? Why? Because agents don't have the right habits. So according to the National Association of Realtors, it's just agents are not prospecting enough, and it's an awful thing, okay? The reason why, though, is because agents are simply they don't have the right habits. Agents come from an employee background with employee habits, and then they jump into this entrepreneurial world where they have to run themselves like a business, but they're still running on old habits. And I love it because gurus out there are like, man, just make the call. You gotta want it, right? How many of you have heard that out there, right? where they're like, yeah, you just got to want it. You just got to do it. You just got to make it happen, right? Well, obviously, we know that, right? But we need to just change our habits, okay? And that's exactly what we teach at Habit Guys. We take the behavioral science of habits and we implement that into realtors so they're prospecting consistently without a problem, okay? So I'm going to start sharing my screen now for my audience here. All right, all right, so here we go. So let's go ahead and now I'm going to need you guys in YouTube. All right, in YouTube, I'm going to need you guys to also, all right, the comment section. Robert and Robin, I'm going to need you guys to tell me if you guys can hear me because I'm going to start making some phone calls real soon here. And I want to make sure you guys can actually hear me. All right, so I'm going to get my phone here. All right, I'm going to plug in. All right, make sure the phone is nice and charged. So, Michael, I should be in South Florida like you. Michael, you should be, man. Come on over here, Mike. Let's go, dude. Let's go make it happen. So here we go. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and promote this property here. So I live in Miami, Florida, okay, in a town, not town, but it's called Winston Park is the area where I promote, okay, where I make phone calls to, that's my farm area, okay? So I just took someone else's listing. I asked for permission to grab your listing, okay? You always need permission. The text message is preferred and email, so it's documented. And then I'm going to promote someone else's property, right? Like I said before last time. You down with OPP? Yeah, you know me, right? Other people's property. So you don't need a listing to promote someone else's listing. And the reason why I do that is because I'm going to call this neighborhood, okay? And I'm going to talk to them about this property. So I press call, right? I press call. And that's it. I'm using my dialer for REDX. Here we go. Oh, it just hung up on me. All right, let's do it again. All right, let me make sure. Oh, actually, I got to share my screen. Let me make sure I share my screen. All right, let me make sure I share my screen with you all. All right. Okay, there you go. Now we're back up. Okay, let me share my screen over here with people here. Yes, I want to share my screen. I want everyone here to now see my screen. Oh, Nelly, yes. All right, here we go. Oh man, now this sidecar disconnect, and we're going to connect again. Here we go. Let me make sure you guys can actually see my screen. I wanted to make sure everyone is good. I'm going to put now. All right. Now, where did the whole, okay. Let me make sure everything, there you go. Now, I lost you guys over there in the world. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties, guys. I'm trying to switch screens for you guys so you guys all can see me. All right, bear with me 1 second. And I'm going to move screens and then we'll start making calls. Any questions, by the way, on looking at someone else's property, searching for other people's property, OPP, right, Robert? You know me. Yes, thank you, Robert. I thought I was the only one. You know, I'm showing my age here, right? Knowing these songs. So, all right. So we have here, you guys can see my screen without a problem there, right? So you guys can see my screen without a problem. And then on StreamYard, all right. So we got this here. All right, here we go. So let's start making the phone calls and then let me know, guys. So you guys can see. And let's start making some calls.
Welcome to Wave.
Let me know if you guys can hear me. There we go. Let's start doing this. Can you guys hear me, by the way? Michael, Karen, can you guys hear me and hear the phone? Okay, perfect. And my people in StreamYard. Can you guys hear me? My REDX team. Prospector die. Yes, REDX. Love this shirt, man. Guys, look how beautiful this shirt is. Love it. Thanks a lot, REDX. Robert, you guys can hear the phone?
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 30.
I'm leaving a voicemail, right? There you go. That's a voicemail.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Leaving another voicemail. Boom. We just made 2 calls and rapid fire. Yeah.
Please leave your message for 305.
All right, good. Michael, you guys can hear me? Can you guys see my screen, by the way? Yes, you see us too? Good. Okay.
Please leave your message for 7862.
Here we go. Making calls. Amelise! Hello, Amelise. Nice to hear from you. I love it. So this is what I love about having a dialer, guys. I'm dialing, talking, looking at my back on my charger. Look at this. All while the phone's dialing. This is why having the right tools.
Please leave your message
so important,
for 30538.
The ABC telephone number you had dialed is no longer.
There you go. And we keep on calling. Wear my glasses because I get to see my screen better. Yeah, I'm dropping. Yes, Robin. Yeah, Robert, I'm not able to share my screen with you guys there, but I want to make sure you guys can hear it, right? You guys can hear it? Yes, I'm dropping voicemails. So good point there, Robin, is yes, I am dropping voicemails, and the voicemails, I like to pretend like I know the person. I'm calling them saying, hey, how you doing? It's Andy giving you a call. Just give me a call when you get a chance. That's it, in English and Spanish. So I drop it.
Please leave your message.
Depending if the voicemail's in English or Spanish, I put in English or Spanish, especially in Miami, Florida. You're going to get a lot of folks in Spanish, right? So, but that's what I do with voicemails. Yes, I am dropping voicemails. So I'm calling right now. I'm calling, going through the list. And for privacy reasons, I'm just not showing my screen. I'm out there for you guys, but I have my screen up, my REDX screen, my dialer open. I'm calling. Remember, if you guys want my scripts, let me know. I will definitely give you guys my scripts.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 3057772.
And also, if you guys want, if there's any difficulty, if you guys downloading them or anything, there's my cell phone number as well, guys. You guys can go ahead and use my cell phone. Shoot me a text, but the information right there. That's the link to get my coupon code for REDX, but also the webinar for tomorrow.
Area code number or numeric
Teaching you.
Followed by the pound.
I don't know. And if you want my scripts are right here, guys. Let me give you guys my scripts. Link, that's extras 1. Boom. There you go, guys. If you want my scripts, it's right there. habitguys.com/extras1. And you guys will get all the scripts you guys are going to hear today. We haven't had a conversation yet, but you're going to hear it. And I give you guys the scripts in English and Spanish, and I'm giving you scripts for the sphere in English and Spanish, and circle prospecting in English and Spanish, and some morning routines too. I threw in some morning routines there for you. No, you're welcome, Robin. Not a problem. I like to give everyone the tools of the trade, right? Everything that we say, how we do things. These scripts are the first class scripts, guys. non-salesy. It has some sales psychology in there. Don't get me wrong. At the end of the day, we're here to run a business, and there's a reason for it. But there's reasons why I highlighted the parts of the script in red and all that. You'll see them there.
At the tone, please record your message. When you finish.
And we keep on cruising. There we go. Unable to connect to iPad Pro. I don't know why. All right. Let me know if you guys can. All right, perfect.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hello, you've reached Tori Guzman. Please leave me a message and I'll call you back.
There you go. Leaving voicemails there. Leaving voicemails. We've made 16 calls, guys, in 7 minutes. That's just rapid fire. That's what I love about it. Any questions so far? Is there a day of time that works better than others? Robin, so you know,
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
it's a great question, Robin. I have noticed around like 3 or 4 o'clock does work well, right? But then again, I've done it in the morning at 10 o'clock. I prospect at 10 in the morning. That's my every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm calling at 10 a.m. Okay.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing? Hello.
¿En Spanish?
Sí, claro. Hola, ¿qué tal?
Sí, ¿qué tal?
No, muy bien. Oye, hermano, yo soy un realtor en tu comunidad, solamente para avisarte que tenemos una propiedad para la venta. Por si acaso, si necesitas ayuda o conoces a alguien que lo quiere comprar.
Ok, está bien. Muchas gracias.
¿Ok? Bye. Yeah, he wasn't interested. He was already wanting me off the phone. You can tell. You don't need to know English, guys, to know that the guy was already like, you know what? No, I'm not interested. It's fine. Okay, and we keep on rolling. But no, time of day that we call could be 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It could be 1 o'clock. But I have noticed I enjoy 10 a.m. Now, with my sphere of influence, I have noticed that the afternoon works better. When I call my sphere of influence, 10 o'clock, they're a lot busier. Robin, so you know, with my sphere that I've noticed. But like I tell my students, though, you know what the best time to call is? Especially anytime, but specifically in the morning, right? Because you get it done in the morning. Because if you wait till the afternoon, it's like working out sometimes. You push the workout to the afternoon and it doesn't get done, right? Happens to a lot of us. All right. Look at this, guys. 20 calls made, 1 contact. All right, the guy denied, but it's fine. That's 20 calls closer to a yes, right? 20 calls closer to a friend. And that's what it's all about, guys. On the scripts, you'll see when you download them, I put on top, you're not there to make transactions happen, right? You're there to make a friend.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Which is the key. That's why having that mindset in there where, hey,
Hello.
hey, how are you?
Yes, how can I help you?
Hey, how are we doing? My name is Andy, by the way. I'm a local realtor in your neighborhood, and I'm just letting everyone know that we have a property for sale in case you knew anyone that wanted to move into this neighborhood.
No, I don't know no one.
Nobody? No worries. Now, question, before I let you go, do you have a realtor you would work with in case you ever decide to buy one here or
No.
in the future? You don't have one?
No.
Oh, you don't?
I'm
Awesome.
busy right now.
Oh, you are?
I'm at
Okay.
work.
I'm sorry, ma'am. No problem. Bye. You ain't busy at work, lady. All right, hold on. Not interested. Boom. Almost got her, guys. Almost made a friend there. You saw that? Almost. So we'll put no there on disposition, right? We'll put not interested there as a disposition, which is great because then after every phone call, guys, you want to put how did that call go, right? Which is why I love REDX, because REDX makes that simple for me, where it's like, hey, did that call go well? Did it not go well? Call them later. Are they busy? What's going on, right? So, and that status gets logged into REDX, and then I can go ahead and call those people later on if I want to, which is great. So it organizes. It acts in essence as a CRM when it comes to my dialing, for sure. All right, guys, let's go ahead and make one more call. See if we can...
Sorry, but the person you called
Oh.
has a voicemail box. It's not been set up yet.
All right, okay. So we'll hang this up here. All right, that's what we'll do. We'll hang this up here. All right, guys. And then what I want all of you guys to know, so everyone though they're on YouTube, so you guys know before we leave, listen, I give students every week, guys. We didn't get anyone today, but guess what? I'm 20 plus calls closer to a yes, right? And we just had a couple minutes in doing this. So this is why I tell you all it's so critical to have the right tools. Now, listen, how many times have you had the right tools, but you don't use them, okay? You don't get it done. And that's why having the right habits is so critical. So everyone here today, guys, listen, I want to invite you guys to a free masterclass that we're doing, okay? Now, this masterclass is going to show you how to break your bad habits, how to create good habits, okay? So it's a live training that we're doing. Click on it, register. The link, if for all of you on YouTube, just go to habitguys.com/REDX, and you'll see the link there to register for this masterclass. So if you're struggling with your eating habits, your prospecting habits, you want to learn why you say something is important to you, but you never seem to make time for it, well, this is the webinar and workshop where I am going to show you step by step exactly why you say something is important to you, like eating right or prospecting or following up or better time management, but you never seem to make time for it, okay? So go to habitguys.com/REDX. The link is on the screen there for you, okay? So click on that, register for that masterclass, and I'll walk you through exactly how to get that done. You'll absolutely love it, okay? You'll absolutely love that there. And then everyone on my Demio webinar, you'll see the link there. Click on that link, register for it, okay? And go ahead and watch that, and you're gonna absolutely love it to learn how to build your motivation, create motivation, how to be more productive, all that stuff in that masterclass. You're gonna absolutely love it, okay? Guys, I'm now gonna switch over into Spanish mode, okay? So you guys already have my cell phone number. Any questions you guys have, text message me. I respond to every text, every phone call. Just let me know if you have any questions, if you want more, if you didn't get the tools that I gave you, the scripts in English and Spanish, you have any questions, or you want to talk strategy, whatever it is, I am here to let you guys know about it. Okay, guys? Well, thank you so much for coming out here, guys. I love you all so much, all right? And I will see you all next week, and bring a friend with you guys. Guys, come on, bring a friend with you. And they need some help too, right, on prospect. I think everybody does, okay? All right, guys, I love you all. I'll see you all next week, and I'm going to flip over now to the Spanish session that starts now in 2 minutes. All righty, guys. You guys all take care now.